Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to remove green screen in Canva. In order to remove green screen, you have to follow the steps. Consider that this is the green screen, alright? So what you have to do is on this field, in order to remove the green screen, you have to select the item first of all. Then click the edit button right next to it. As you go to edit, you could see remove background or background remove. You could click that out. Since this is a pro version, so you have to go ahead and select the terms and conditions or start your trial. And once you actually apply it, you'll then be able to green screen on the Canva. So similarly, you could also go ahead and work around. You could use some filters that can hide the green screen. And that is how you could use green screen on Canva or remove green screen. So what I'm actually going to do is, once again, I'm going to click on the edit button right over here. So over here you have filters as well, which can help you to remove the green screen. You could see there are the color changers. You could go ahead and apply any of these filters which can actually look like you remove the green screen, or you could simply go ahead and use the background remove, which is going to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.